All right, y'all. In this episode of Damn, what is DEE now? We went to Couples Tea House, located at 409 North Howard Street. Let me tell you something. When you walk in, whole vibe of just, you can just relax there. They have every kind of tea imaginable. It is a tea house. They have breakfast, sandwiches, and everything. Just the vibe alone, the music, the atmosphere is amazing. Look at this cup. I'm from Baltimore. They have pots for sale, teapots for sale, French presses. You name it, if it's related to tea, they got it. You know it's a whole vibe when they even have incense up in there. I just want y'all to check out the decor. Like, look. Now, they have pastries. They have that. Let me tell you something. We about to get to that everything biscuit in a minute. We're going to get it. And that sweet potato scone. Look at the vibe. You can come in there, sit, relax. Look, sage, honey. Sage. We ain't taking no evil spirit. This is your tea experience. So when she pulls up on you, because we ordered a pot of what was called the adrenaline tea. It had matcha in it and some other things. This is how she pulled up on you. Look at this. Whole experience. Intimate place. I mean, everything about this was amazing. Like, I just can't express that enough, how amazing this entire experience was. Me and my son got the breakfast sandwich. This is me. I can't even bite the sandwich. Like, everything biscuit, bacon, frittata, and that daggone chutney. I just wanted it. Look at that aesthetic. Look at the plating, honey. And it's all disposable. I was just impressed by the fact that her plates looked like they was real. Okay? My son got the same biscuit sandwich without the bacon. But when I tell you, y'all have to try it. Couples tea. Oh, this is what I brought home. Okay? Bourbon, honey with bourbon.